Hello, my name is Manya, and today I'm going to the book fair and I'm going to take you along. So, I've gotten down at Kashmiri Gate station, and now we are straight up cutting to getting down at Supreme Court. Supreme Court is the nearest metro station, जो वेन्यू के पास है, विच इज़ द भारत मंडपम, जहाँ पे बुक फेयर हो रहा है. बहुत लोग जा रहे थे एंड वीकडे था तो इट वॉज प्रिटी चिल. द क्राउड ज़्यादा नहीं था. आई गॉट द टिकट फ्रॉम द मेट्रो स्टेशन. यू कैन गेट देम ऑनलाइन ऑल्सो. देयर वॉज सम QR at the metro station itself from which you could do, but people were just getting it from the stall itself instead of doing that tech thingy because it was not working well from what I heard. And here there are so many pirated book stalls are outside the book fair, which was ironic. And now I'm just going to get my ticket checked and enter the venue. So this woman was sort of blocking me for no reason. I mean, she didn't realize that I was waiting. Then I've just entered, and now I'll go to the baggage checking area. And why there was no khatra to my bag because भीड़ नहीं थी. And there are shuttles जो gate से halls तक जाती हैं, but I never use them. And on way I found खुशहाल जीवन के लिए तांत्रिक उपाय. एक और कुछ एग्जीबिशन चल रहा था जहाँ पे ये सब था, but I didn't go there. And I have to actually go to the halls, H1, H2, H3, and this is me walking towards the halls. It was a big ground with no shade, so I'm using my coat, and I'll just show you. Yeah, so there was no shade and it was too hot, and I was obviously wearing woolens. Now I'm near the hall area and I'm finding the publisher's pavilion because that's what I was looking for, and I had to find my friends there. And I love these quotes in different places: when citizens read, the country leads, etc., etc. Fun stuff. And purple was sort of a theme this time, I noticed, and I love purple. Purple is my favorite color. So I've entered the hall, and there were some students there, and there was a selfie with your favorite book, Pose with Pros. Loved it. And I'm entering. एंटर करते ही वाइब भी अलग होता है. एंड स्कूल के किड्स को देख के तो मज़ा ही आ जाता है मुझे कि गाइज यू आर लिविंग योर लाइफ राइट नाउ. आई मीन दैट्स व्हाट एवरीवन सेज राइट टू किड्स. सो NBT का फर्स्ट स्टॉल था, and I'm just finding my way, and then I spotted Penguin. And Penguin is my favorite stall every year in the book fair for some reason. I love going there more than any other stall. And it's amazing how they're just leading this game of book fair stalls, at least according to me. I don't know what others think about it. तो अभी मैं सोच रही हूँ, मैं बहुत confused हूँ कि मुझे कहाँ जाना है. There's Hachette, and I love Hachette books too. Bloomsbury, everybody loves Bloomsbury. So, but I'm going to enter Penguin. मैं exit से जा रही थी तो उन्होंने बोला मैम एंट्री वहाँ है, और मैंने एंट्री देखी थी बट स्टिल आई फॉरगॉट. सो वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स द एंट्री. And now I'm entering. I was high-key excited. And there were some people coming out from the entry, which was okay, I guess. Then I entered the pavilion and there were so many books and so many people who love books. And there was this cute stall of Penguin notebooks. And I'm walking towards where most of the crowd was because apparently there was a 40% off on some select Penguin classics. तो बहुत भीड़ थी वहाँ पे comparatively. वीकेंड के मुकाबले तो कुछ भी नहीं था. So this is the area where the sale was. Only this area, not the shelves behind. This Crime and Punishment, I have not read it. I want to read it. Someday I will, I hope. And cute stuff. Murakami box set was also on sale, looks like. And look at this gorgeous edition of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. And there was one more edition. All these editions are too pretty to handle. But I loved Emma. It was so pretty, and look at these golden edges. Lovely. And I found Sylvia Plath's drawing book. I didn't know she used to draw, but she's good. Looks like it. And good sketches. I'll just let you have a look at them. Cute book, no? And then there was the book of answers. We all need answers in life, we all want answers. So I liked the idea. Look at the answers. Cute book. Then I thought what to do because I didn't really want to buy anything because मैंने कुछ दिन पहले ही बुक्स खरीदी थी. So I was just being a good girl. तो मैं बस देख रही थी क्या क्या है. Uplifting reads. Murakami was there, and then I entered the children's section to buy a book for my nephew because he doesn't have as many books as me, so I can openly buy books for him. Then I was just going around, and there is more treasure in books than in all of the pirates' loot on the treasure island. And then there's another quote by Murakami. And I'm here at the Amazon store, which was a fun one. I'll show you what they have later. They had these tarot literary decks, which were fun. Manjul's stall had this amazing wall, loved it. And I liked the vibe also. So here are my friends talking to Manjul people. And then I entered Rupa. Rupa's stall was also pretty chill, pretty nice. Aleph is Rupa's imprint. And I really enjoyed the entire thing. Now we're outside. Just my friend was giving some interview to some media house, and Om Bookshop was there. Look at this. Some book signing was happening. And now we're just chilling, having food, and some rest was required. And look at this. I'm back to exploring. There's a pop-up book. And now we are at Bloomsbury, I think. And some shoot was happening with author Gaurav Mohanty. So I was just looking at that. A girl was dressed as a character, and they were shooting content. And he's right here. I have not read the book, so I felt shy just talking to him, saying, "Oh, I know you, but I haven't read." And this is the Amazon literary deck that I was talking about. Look, like on each tarot card here they have either a book recommendation, and they called it the literary deck, and you just like shuffle it, and whatever you find, that's your read or a book suggestion. I found the idea pretty fun and fascinating. I'm already very fascinated with tarot. Look at the notebook by Nicholas Sparks, and asked them that could I take a video, and they were like, of course, we're here for it. So hi, or this is the next morning. I didn't shoot after that clipping, and I'm just going to show you my book haul, which is the one book that I got for my nephew, and it's the little book of Holi, because Holi aa rahi hai and he loves reading books, and this book is so colorful. And so I got it for him, and I gave it to him, and he loved it. He read it. Like the way he reads it is by pointing to things and asking us for, batao story kya hai, batao. So this is my book haul for this year. I only went because a friend from Mumbai was coming, and I wouldn't have gone otherwise, I think, because there's a lot going on in my life. But I love this year's humble book haul.